Словения господин Матей Тони. Что на министър за отбрана на Република Северна Македония господин Радмила Шекеринска. Что на амбасадор на Република Словения в Република Северна Македония господин Иван Бредан. Что ни гости, представници Министерствата за отбрана на Република Словения и Република Северна Македония, учитувани медиуми. Najprvo sakam da...
Dear Minister of Defense of the Republic of Slovenia, Mr. Matej Tonin. Dear Minister of Defense of the Republic of North Macedonia, Ms. Radmila Šekerinska. Dear Ambassador of the Republic of Slovenia to the Republic of North Macedonia, Mr. Milan Predan. Dear guests, representatives of the Ministry of Defense of the Republic of Slovenia and the Republic of North Macedonia, and dear representatives of media.
Najprvo sakam da vi posjekam, добре дойде в община Берово и приятел предстои на вас и вашите делегации.
First of all, I would like to wish you a warm welcome to you and your delegation to the municipality of Berovo and wish you to have a pleasant stay here.
Чест и задоволство ми е, по вашата кратка посета на Република Северна Македония, успяхте да дойдете време точно за посета на Берово.
I'm honored and pleased in your short visit to the Republic of North Macedonia you managed to take the time to visit Berovo.
Исто така, сакам да упатам благодарност до Министерството за отбрана на Република Северна Македония, која организира оваа посета точно во Берово.
I would like to express my special thanks to Ministry of Defense of the Republic of North Macedonia, which is organizing this visit to Berovo.
Во овој момент на нашата прва средба сакам да упатам огромна благодарност на министерката Радмила Шекеринска за нејзината заложба, што во моментите на пожарите во Запатија во Малишевскиот регион ни излезе во преслед и на нејзина молба. Вие ги ставите на располагање вашите сили во служба на граѓаните на општина Берово и општина Пешча.
At this moment, at our first meeting, I would like to express my gratitude to Minister Šekerinska for her commitment, because in the moment of the fires that met us in Maleševo region, on her request, you made your forces available in the service of the residents from the two municipalities, Berovo and Pešča.
Благодарение на вашата поддршка, а с оглед на големата површина, која беше опфатена со пожарите, спречени се поголеми катастрофи и многу е важно во целата ситуација што нема жртви. Другото се надам дека се свели на гарман и се надомести последните неколку години.
Having in mind that large area was covered by the fires, major disasters have been prevented, and it is very important in the whole situation that there were no victims, thanks to your support, and other, I hope, with strong commitment will be compensated in the next few years.
Тука морам да напомена дека општина Берово, заедно со неколку партнерски институции, изминатиот период работеше на напредување на противпожарната заштита, со набавка на нови возила, опрема и ресурси. Но морам да напоменам дека се работеше за пожар од поголеми размери, каде што изгори голема површина на високостебреста борова шума и сигурно ќе се согласите дека без поддршка општината не би можела сама се справи со пожари од ваков тип.
Here I must mention that municipality of Berovo, together with several partner institutions in the past period, has worked on improving fire protection by purchasing new vehicles, equipment and other resources, but I must emphasize that this fire was a large-scale fire where a large area of high-quality pine forest is burned and damaged, and you surely agree with me that without support the municipality could not deal with fires of this type on its own.
Затоа немам зборови со кои можам да искажам колку многу сме ви благодарни да ни помогнате во гасењето на пожарите.
That is why I have no words to express how grateful we are for your help in managing with forest fires.
Од друга страна, се надевам дека присутните пожарникари задоволно се заминаа во Словенија. Понесоа со себе вредни спомени, остварувајќи нивната мисија за која се додени, но и пријатно пречекани.
On the other hand, I hope that the firefighters that were here are satisfied and bring to Slovenia valuable memories, also fulfilling their mission for which they came, but also pleasantly welcomed by us.
Искрено се надевам успешна сработка во иднина на повеќе полиби.
I sincerely hope for successful cooperation in the future in many fields.
Не треба да се мене.
Let me thank, dozvolite da se zablagodaram na gradonačelnikot na Berovo, but having in mind that he understands English very well, I will continue in English. It was our job to help, but Slovenia had a choice. The minister could have returned the message by saying that we should follow the normal lines. We should ask formally the necessary institutions, we should do the bureaucratic process, or that they are dealing with the dangers themselves. But the response was quick, the response was efficient, the response was very friendly, because Minister Matej Tonin is a really friend of our country. And Berovo was lucky to actually get the Slovenian support. We have been discussing this in length, this is why I don't want to bother the meeting with too many details. And it was really a no-brainer to actually try to bring Minister Tonin to Berovo, because it's one thing when we discuss these issues in Skopje, but seeing the fires, the territory, the wide scope of the catastrophe, actually is what makes the impression very strong. For me, also seeing the fires from air was completely different than from being here during the fires. So. As a government, we have already started discussions about how to recover in terms of certain initiatives for forestation, not in the areas of the fire, but very close by. And I'm sure that the municipality can count on us. Може да сметате на тоа дека владата веќе работи на програма на пошумување.
So, the mayor, minister, ambassador, co-workers, it's really a pleasure to be here in the most famous North Macedonian city in Slovenia. In the last couple of days, Berovo was present in all Slovenian medias because our firefighters were reporting almost every day what's going on here, and even Slovenian public was following in details what's going on, and we were crossing our fingers that everything will be okay, that the houses will be safe, and there will be no casualties. Luckily, we together succeeded, and I'm proud and happy that Slovenia was part of this success or part of this battle, that we had those fires, and that everything is okay. We can repair everything except lives. So this is the crucial thing, that there was no fatal casualties. I'm sure that in all other terms you will recover. And I have to admit, and I would like to underline here, that we have an excellent Minister of Defense. Razmina Shekarinski is really not just my colleague, but a true friend. So when she called me, even though that I was on holiday, I couldn't refuse her, so we reacted immediately. I called our administrative to make it very simple, administration which is responsible for the firefighters, and we sent here units and equipment. And as I said, I'm happy and proud that it was useful, and that we helped Berovo in that way. I hope that you see that these aren't only words, that Slovenia is a true supporter of North Macedonia. We see you as a true ally. We see you in the European Union, and you can always count on Slovenia. With your minister, we had a very nice discussion this morning, and I offered her help as well in the field of know-how in a firefighting area. We are preparing a special program for donation of equipment for firefighters. I'm sure that Berovo and North Macedonia will be part of this program which we are establishing. So, thank you again for hosting me, and I see that this is a beautiful, lovely city, and I ask Minister if there is a possibility to walk a little bit through, to feel how the life is in some cities in North Macedonia. So I've been in Skopje, I love Ohrid, So, but I've never been in such small cities. So I have to say here, because we are near Strumica, that my father served Yugoslav army in Strumica. We thought that today maybe he could be with us here, but unfortunately there were some complications. He is back at home, but he always proud when he's saying that he spent part of his life here in North Macedonia, and that's why even I feel something with North Macedonia. So, thanks again. Thank you, Minister, and thank you, Mayor, and to your people, because our firefighters were accepted here as the real heroes, and they came home with nice stories. And for me, the most important thing is that when they are in discussion, that they simply say it was worth coming here because we saved lives and we were very well accepted. And that is everything what counts. It's no important money, personal touch and personal relations are the ones which are really counting. So, thank you.
Мисля, висата Държавна сборна до най-рече командира в пожарната единица.
Yes, I would like to give a speech to
The head of firefighters.
head of firefighters here in Berov.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Saško Rumenovski. I'm Chief Fire Station here in City Berov. Our major say everything, and I want to be shortly, and because my English is not so good, but you can understand me. I want to say a big thank you for your guys, for your firefighters. They are professional. They give us support every time. These 7-8 days, they give us support every single day. Last day, we did the perfect job. We stopped the fire to do not continue to the other city, Vinica. We worked 22 hours without break, and we stopped the fire. Same time, next day when we finished with the fire, their real fire, we get one more call for a fire in the house. They help us also. We was very, very happy because we just came in the city. All of them was there in the forest. And we stopped the fire to do not continue to the other house. And I want to say, your guys was very professional. We are waiting for maybe next year to come there in Slovenia to pass some course for firefighter. And now we changed all of your guys, your chief there, mails and phones, and we are in contact now. And I hope next year we will visit your country. Also we get from Tolmin, City Tolmin, we get some donation with equipment. And next week we are expecting for another donation from one Slovenian company who is working here in Skopje. And thank you. I want to say thank you. That's it from my side.
You're welcome. You put it beautiful. And we spoke this morning with Mila that we are really offering you a possibility that North Macedonian firefighters are part of our firefighting school. So we have different courses. We have at least 2 very advanced facilities where firefighters can train in real situation. And you are welcome. So we just need to agree in what scale you are willing to participate in our schools, and we are happy to offer you our know-how, and I'm absolutely sure that all together we will be strong.
Thank you.
As I said, I hope that by the end of the year, we will have a new bilateral agreement on strategic partnership in the area of defense. And I think that one part of this agreement will focus very much on assistance and cooperation in this area. I propose that we call it the Berovo program. It rings a bell in Slovenia. It will be a direct association, but it's the lessons learned from Berovo. Congratulations to you. They were hit the hardest. They are built as a relatively small firefighting unit because the municipality is relatively small, but the territory and the size of the fires overwhelmed them. And although some of the other municipalities helped, it was this assistance from Slovenia that was seen as a lifesaver. And I'm sure that you will hear a lot about this today.
Minister, izvolite prethodna prilika, gospodina Milan Preda, izvolite v Peščevu.
With the ambassador, we met with the ambassador in Peščevo a couple months ago.
Видно, това беше пожарите и разговаряхме за насоработка между общинските.
That conversation was before the fires, and we talked about the municipality cooperation.
Побарахме от господин Предан да можем да направим контакт с общини с лични исти характеристики по Берово в Пешчево, за да можем да възпоставим общинска соработка.
We asked for contact for municipalities that are similar with Berovo and Peščevo, similar on sizes, on infrastructure, in order to make intermunicipal cooperation together.
Или odredena соработка во odredени сфери, во локалната економска сфера, защитата на животната средина.
In the area of tourism, of environment, economic development. We wanted contact.
И верувам дека после корона ќе најдеме можност да успоставиме соработка со општина.
And after we finish this pandemic, we hope that we can manage some contacts with some municipalities from your country.
I'm sure that the ambassador will help you and he has many contacts. I have to admit that we have 212 municipalities, and this, I don't know the English phrase, but I know Slovenian phrase, pobratenje.
Modern partnership.
It's a quite modern pen still in many Slovenian municipalities, so we have a partnership with Croatian, Serbian, Bosnian municipalities from Austria to the Germany, so I'm absolutely sure that you will find an appropriate municipality to go.
Well, we have one municipality just in front of us. This is Tolmin, where the firefighters came from. I think that will be the perfect one. После пожарите,
Okay, after fires,
цена дека единствена или приоритетна област во која треба да побараме соработка е
after fires, I think that the only area that we should actually be concentrated are firefighting measures.
Interesting that
Your name.
I'm Tolmin, but the municipality is Tolmin, so it's slightly different. But the interesting part is that before I went to the holidays or before the wildfire started, I visited firefighters unit in Tolmin when they celebrated, I think, the 130th anniversary.
147, I think.
It was somewhere around 100, almost 50 anniversaries, so they are definitely an experienced unit, and they are experienced with the dealing with wild fires. But the thing that what we were able to establish that within the system solidarity is crucial. So that we establish the system when something happened in a specific part of Slovenia, and if the unit is not able to cope with the situation, the other units will come and help. And that's why it was very easy for us to send a specific unit as well to the Northern Macedonia. So don't worry, whenever you will need us, tell us.
Thank you.
Съдружените сили в Македония.
While the firefighters were staying here,
Успяхме да възпоставим контакти
we managed some contacts
и можем да побараме поддръжка во делот на обуките за нашите предположени.
Yes, we managed to make contacts to ask for help for sharing know-how experience for our firefighters. We had some contacts.
We will start with you. Once we щом почнеме со програмата, we will start with Vero and picture.
Јас би сакал сега да ви доделам една плакета која е.
So we settle the name of the program. So it's about Verovo program.
Yeah, branding and naming things is important for success.
Пред некој ден имавме значи ден на општината.
On the 23rd of August was a municipal day, Day of Municipality of Verovo.
На која беше има настъпен събрък на денот на общината 23 август беше разделена плакета на Сдружените сили на цивилната защита на Република Словения.
I would want to give you a plaque for an appreciation for your help.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Имаме мали скромни подаръци, кои се нашето поднебие.
We have some small gifts for you with some homemade products from our region.
Това е малко Verovo и локални производи.
Local products.
Јас колку ги пофалив, мените,
Момане, вино,
Wine, honey, yes. Wine, honey.
So you have a good intelligence because I love wine and I love honey.
They're all okay.
Јас сум најголемиот, чуе дека сум најголемиот миштерија за веровски производи, затоа. I'm the best customer for Verovo products.
Не уште добри, почнал да раки од еден од нашите предобрстамо.
Сега го частеле поглед.
Домашни.
And Mayor, I have a special gift for you as well. So, because Verovo is in our hearts, as I said, currently definitely the most popular village city in Slovenia, and that you will remember the day when we met a special card.
Да се сеќавате на денот тогава.
I think we will walk. We will drive and then walk.